Welcome to another info session presented to you by Cernal Chemicals, or as you know it by now, Speaker Bicky Soaps. As always, myself is Stefan, for those who don't know, and I have Ogrote here to my right hand side. Good morning, Daniel.
Morning, Stefan.
Good. I almost started before saying hello, at least.
But how are you this morning?
No,
also question.
Also good. Also good. So today we're doing the Blue Train.
Yes.
Not the song. the cleaning chemical.
Not the global.
No, the song about the Blue Train. It's fun. I'll play it to you afterwards. Yeah.
Okay.
So Blue Train, Daniel. It looks. I have a see-through part in the bottle. It looks amazing. So what is Blue Train?
So Stefan, Blue Train is a lavender fragrance all-purpose cleaner. So it's a all-purpose cleaner that has a lavender fragrance. So you use it for your floor. You can use it even for, basically floor, walls, etc. All-purpose cleaning. But it has a very nice smell, a lavender fragrance smell.
And it's quite a thick, thick liquid. I can see you dip through the bottle. So I would assume the dilution rate is quite economical.
Yeah, it's a very economical product to use. So yes.
Great. Available as with all Cernal products, 5 litre at 25 bulk. We manufacture the products here in Windhoek, so we can put it in any container you want. Safety precautions, Daniel?
Safety, Blue Train is not a corrosive product, so it can't touch your skin or anything. Just don't drink it.
I see.
Yes.
I see.
So
Makes sense. Which makes sense.
Just another thing, Stefan. So the nice thing about Blue Train as well is also a COC product of ours. We do refill it as well. If you bring your own container, we can refill it for you.
Yeah, that makes sense. Because most of the chemicals, the price is actually the container.
Yeah.
So if you bring your own container, you only pay for the liquid itself, which is great. With the money you save, you can buy a mop, a broom, a glove, anything you want. Remember, Cernal Chemicals, we do the equipment as well. Yes. Anything from a lapiki all the way up to a mop bucket or a bin trolley or whatever. So that is the Blue Train. The Blue Train is also one of those products where we are going to show you a demonstration video, but it's actually, it would have been nice if you could smell through the video. I mean, because it's a game changer when it comes to the lavender fragrance, definitely. And but please watch the video, see how effective the product works, and if there's any questions, please I'm going to contact Daniel or myself, and we will be happy to assist you. And then after watching this video of the Blue Train, I hope you listen to the song of the Blue Train. Daniel, I'm going to show it to you now.
Okay.
Cernal Chemicals, get your laundry house. Cernal Chemicals, chemicals you can trust.